Winter has dug her icy claws into Nottingham. Darkness has fallen on the timeless streets of the town. In the disunited kingdom, the people struggle as their leaders fail. The world has been turned upside down. But the eternal good fight continues, stretching over the centuries from the days of old England to this here day and beyond into the future. As the summer sun returns and its rays of light and warmth bring life back to the land, join Robin Hood as he fights the good fight for a better world where all are equal and all prosper. Join him on the streets of Nottingham, underground in ancient caves beneath the town, in old taverns, in churchyards. Bear witness to one of the greatest stories ever told on an adventure around Nottingham and through time itself. Join me, fight the good fight. Be part of the legend.